Yo mga kasukat, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna unbox gaming chair, same time massage chair. Alright, before we proceed, gusto ko lang magpasalamat dun sa mga gumawa at sumuporta. Una-una kay MBS Print House ng Lamag. Yan, sila po yung gumawa ng ating riding tube mask. Yan. Kay Transfer It Genre. Yan, sa ating t-shirt with kasukat at kasukat cup genre Transfer It. Maraming salamat. At dun sa gumawa ng ating riding jersey long sleeve kay MBS pa rin. MBS. Yan, shout out po sa inyo lahat mga bossing. Salamat. At nagpapasalamat din po tayo kay Sir Joby dun sa Sticker Republic Saragossa para dun sa ating sticker na pag-giveaway sa ating mga subscriber at doon sa mga viewers natin. Maraming salamat Boss Joby sa inyong suporta sa ating pong motovlogging. Thank you. At sa lahat ng tumutulong at nag-encourage po sa atin motovlogging, maraming salamat. Thank you. So let's go for the unboxing of gaming chair. Thank you. Let's do it.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't be I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
Yangat mo to. Ganyan ka. Tanggalin yan. Just in the show. Pwede mo ikot-ikot. Ganon. Ito. So, yun. Nagpawisan ako ah. So, tapos na mga kasukat yung ating unboxing and installation of gaming chair. Same time, massager. Yan, no? Sarili isang massager. Tetestingin natin yung massager. Mga kasukat. Bingi akong ano. Ito yung nilalagay dito sa cellphone.
Ginagawa mo! Ginagawa mo!
Ina. Ayan. Ito.
Yun, sarap. Hey! Ah! Oh, yes! Tapos, pwede mo siya. Recline. Yan. Sarap. Hey! Yan o, naririnig nyo yung ano, massage. Relax na relax. Ah, sarap. Pagisyan ako ah. So yun mga kasukat, hanggang dito na lang doon sa mga sumusuporta at hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe lang po tayo para updated tayo sa dadating pa nating mga videos. Alright, so montage natin mga kasukat.